Hello everybody. So I want to show you this simple tool I have written. So it checks whether the number is active or not in Telegram. So for that you need a package called Python Telegram, and you have to install it like this. So for this you have to consider using Python 3.6 or 3.7. I haven't tested with 3.8, so in 3.9 it won't work. So that's the basic requirements. So you need 3.6 or 3.7. Users work with that, and after getting that, let's just run it. It look like this. So it tells you to register at this, and because you will get an app API ID, and how you want to do is to, let me just paste it over here. Let's paste it. Let's do enter, and here is my API hash. Let's let's paste it over here. Let's do enter, and let me just put my zip code, and let's do enter, and let me put my number, right? And that would be my number. Let's do enter. Let's just wait, and it's working. And it will show you this contact is not using Telegram. This contact user ID is using Telegram. So here is my script. So this is how it looks like. Thank you guys.